In this video, I will show you ElevenLabs, one of the most powerful AI voice tools ever made. Even if you don't have a microphone, this tool can make your voice sound like it's straight out of a movie, emotional and professional. So stick with me till the finish as I demonstrate how to use all of ElevenLabs' features, such as voice cloning, text-to-speech, dubbing, and even creating your own music. First, open Google and type in ElevenLabs. The first site that pops up is the official one. To open it in a new tab, click on it. Now, let me show you the front-end interface, which is the first thing you'll see when you open this tool. The best part is that this tool is free. You don't have to pay anything if you're a little creator who simply wants to generate short voice snippets that are 2 to 3 minutes long each day. You will need to pay for a plan if you are a professional maker or wish to generate lengthier audio files. Let's talk about prices now. You may pick between 4 plans. Free, $5, $11, and $99. The free plan gives you 10,000 credits, which is enough to produce 7 to 8 minutes of speech. This plan is perfect for you if you're new and want to observe how things work and whether your channel grows. The starter plan is $5 a month and allows you to generate more content and learn more. With this membership, you get a business license and 30,000 characters every month. You may use the voices you generate anywhere, including on YouTube, social media, or for client projects. It also has instant voice cloning, which usually offers you quick results, but occasionally it takes a little longer. I like the creator plan the most, and it costs only $11 a month. This approach is great for folks who make stuff all the time. Along with everything in the starter plan, it also includes professional voice cloning, usage-based billing, more credits, and improved voice quality. This gives you 100,000 characters a month, which is enough to produce 10 to 15 videos. This plan is amazing since it provides you choices and is relatively cheap for the level of work. The Pro plan is the last one, and it costs $99 a month. This plan is perfect for you if you own an agency, work with a group, or are in charge of a significant brand. But I think you should stick with the Maker plan if you're a maker on your own. The URL is in the description. Click on it, proceed to the site, and join up. And click once to log in because I've already registered an account. It simply takes a few seconds to load, and then you'll be on the dashboard. When you log in, this is what ElevenLabs looks like. You will see a greeting like "Good morning" or "Good afternoon," followed by your account name. For example, mine reads, "Good afternoon, Sadia Knox." That's what my ID says. There is also a link that reads, "Become an affiliate" here. That means that you may also generate money by being an ElevenLabs affiliate partner. Now, let's have a look at the places on the left. Speech in a flash. Audiobook agent from ElevenLabs. Sounds and music audio with dub voice library. Let's start with the library of voices. There are a lot of AI voices here, both male and female, with distinct accents and tones. You may even type in the names of certain voices in the search field. Let's head to My Voices now. This category holds all the voices you produced or saved. I strongly advocate utilizing some of the built-in voices, such as Rayon Kulk. They sound really clear and professional. But Liam is one of my favorites because his voice is real, deep, and full of emotion. You may also make your own voice or duplicate it. To accomplish this, just click Create Voice. You may either build a new voice from scratch using text or send in a short audio sample. I don't think ElevenLabs is a decent program for turning text into voices. I usually urge individuals to upload their own audio sample so that the results are more accurate. It just needs 10 seconds of audio, and the result is a very convincing duplicate of your voice. You may either record your voice right away or upload a recording you already have from your collection. If you're recording something right now, just record your voice and use that file to make a duplicate. You may also get rid of background noise after you record by clicking the Remove Background Noise option. After that, click Next. Enter in the name of your voice, choose a language, and agree to the terms and conditions. To complete, click Save Voice. Once you save your cloned voice, it will be added to your list. You may use it whenever you want, because it will always be in your library. You can also perform a lot of things with your stored voice. Switch the voice. Switch things up. Look at the past. Take it away. Copy the voice. ID. For example, I placed my own voice up to hear how it sounded. When the cloning process was done, I listened to it and it sounded really natural, almost precisely like my genuine voice. It claimed, "A single flower in the desert can change the world," and it did it in a way that felt human. You may modify or blend your voice even more if you want to. Part of text-to-speech, TTS. The text-to-speech, TTS, part is the next thing we need to talk about. It's the most important part. Most YouTubers, influencers, and content creators utilize this tool every day. This is how it works. Simply copy and paste your script into the box, and ElevenLabs will make a high-quality AI voice out of it. For example, I'll put a little script here and type in my name in the input area to make it my. If you already have your video script in a document, you may just copy and paste it. I'm using a small test script to show you right now. Next, you have to pick a voice. I have saved a few voices, and Brian's is the one I like most. It sounds clean, natural, and professional. Thus, I use it in a lot of my movies. You may listen to the voice beforehand if you like, but I'll simply create it straight away because I've used it before. You may modify various voice settings before you make it. Voice speed. Change how fast or slow the voice speaks. Stability. This setting lets you change how stable or expressive the voice sounds. If it sounds too robotic or uneven, you may modify the stability to make it sound smoother. Similarity shows you how well the AI copies the way you really talk. I normally maintain it between 60 and 64% for the best results. Style exertion. Changes how dramatic or emotional the voice sounds. You may get a natural tone by maintaining it between 20 and 30%. After you make these modifications, hit Generate. After the voice file is produced, it will show up below. You may hear your writing in a voice that sounds like a genuine person. The sound is quite good. It actually sounds like a person is talking. You may also download the audio file and use it in your video editing program.
My name is AI Amorphic, so I wanted to generate the voice of my script and also wanted to upload this voice on YouTube.
That's how I record the voices for my YouTube videos. The voice changer is the following part. You may simply alter your voice into a different voice in this part. You may either record your own voice or upload an audio clip you already have, and the program will change it into a different voice. I really like the text-to-speech part, and this one is also quite nice. I don't use this function very often, but it's a lot of fun to try if you want to. You may record your voice, and ElevenLabs will turn it into a different voice right away. This is a very cool tool. Next is the part about sound effects. You may simply make your own sound effects using AI here. Just enter in what kind of sound you want, such "I need a clock ringing sound." After that, all you have to do is click the Generate button, and your project will be done in 1 to 2 minutes. You may listen to all 4 sound variants that the tool can make before you download them. You may download it straight to your desktop as an MP3 file after you discover the one you prefer. It's fast, innovative, and very helpful for filmmakers that require background noises or effects. The voice isolator is one of the best tools in ElevenLabs. Let's speak about it now. This tool automatically separates your voice from a background noise if you've recorded it on another platform. You gain 60,000 tokens for utilizing this feature if you sign up for the creator plan. Pressing the record button will let you record your voice right away. If you already have a recording, you can just upload it from your desktop. This application is quite useful since it gives you clear, quiet, and high-quality sound. You may also give your voice file a name so you can find it later. Let me give you a brief example. To start, choose the microphone you wish to use. For example, I'm using the one that comes with my computer. When you hit record, it counts down from 3 to 1 and then starts. Now, let's say I say something like, "First of all, I greatly thank you for capturing this voice. I believe you are doing a great job of documenting it. You can get rid of all the background noise in my speech, and the results will be great. Please make the pitch a little higher so that it is easier to hear. Thank you." You can upload your recording to the voice isolator after it is done. The program will automatically get rid of all the noise in the background and make your voice sound better. You may then download your cleaned audio and hear the effects right away. It's a great technique to make your recording seem smooth, professional, and ready to use in movies or podcasts. The studio section is the next phase of ElevenLabs. You can use AI to make audiobooks, podcasts, and other things in this section. To make an audiobook, just click on Create Audiobook. You may upload whole files or only the pages or portions of your book. The AI will read your material and provide voices for each part that seem natural. You may submit your whole project or paper, and ElevenLabs will turn your words into clear, lifelike voices. Its AI reading technology is incredibly powerful. It can even change the tone and add emotion as it reads. You may even make podcasts right in the studio. Simply click Create Podcast, choose 2 voices, and write a script. After that, the AI will automatically make a podcast that sounds professional. I don't use this function very often, but if you pay for it, you'll be able to utilize it completely. This is one of the greatest AI tools for podcasters. However, free users may only utilize it a little bit. ElevenLabs can also turn YouTube videos into audio, which is another excellent function. You may copy the URL of a movie and put it here if you simply want to hear the voice. Then click Create Project. The program will automatically turn the movie into a clean, high-quality audio file. ElevenLabs also has a script generator that will help you make new scripts, make voiceovers for videos, put music in the background, add captions, get rid of background noise, and a lot more. ElevenLabs is an all-in-one platform for producers who want to generate professional quality voice recordings without having to buy expensive equipment or rent a recording studio. It has voice changer, sound effects, voice isolator, and studio capabilities all in one place. This studio part is great if you want to make your project seem more professional and work better. Next comes the music area, which is another great thing about this place. It lets you make music automatically from your thoughts or descriptions. You may make a song about butterflies or sniffing flowers, for instance, by just saying something like, "Butterflies are smelling flowers," and it will make a whole song for you. It's going to take a little bit to process, but you can watch the progress indicator while it makes your music. You may play the song right from here after the generation is done. Morning dew on the meadow's face, butterflies dancing in the air, silk wings in pastel showers, and the smell of flowers in the air. You may also acquire the script or lyrics from this site. I believe it's a nice feature that you can make your own branded song without even needing a performer. You may easily make a whole song by writing your own script and playing with it. You may get the music file directly from here once it's available. That's it for the music part.
Morning dew upon the meadow's face, butterflies dancing in gentle grace, wings of silk in pastel showers, breathing.
The next tool is dubbing, which enables you to add voices or languages to your audio or video. You may easily use Jackie Chan's voice in your videos here, for example. I may use this tool to translate your material into 29 different languages. If you want to change your English voice into German, Spanish, or French, just head to the dubbing area and start a new project. When you upload an audio or video file, ElevenLabs will automatically find your English voice and give your project a name. You may upload your file straight from your computer or use a URL from TikTok or YouTube. It simply takes a few minutes to dub. It also cuts down on character use by roughly 33%, which helps you preserve your tokens. You may also select to add an ElevenLabs watermark to your video. If your project is tiny, it won't cost you much. The $11 plan is more than enough for this feature. Next, let's look at the developer area. You may make your API key here and start making your own apps with ElevenLabs technology. This part is great for developers since it may even help you make money. You may add ElevenLabs APIs to your own applications or tools, and they will operate without any problems. When you use ElevenLabs API, just be sure to give them credit. The nicest aspect is that it's cheap to use the API, and it works really well. The next part is the documentation section. This part is mostly for developers that require technical details. This part isn't essential for you if you make content. We don't really need this section because our main job is to develop and provide content. The text-to-speech portion is important for making realistic voiceovers. The music area is important for making background music or tunes. And the voices section is important for changing and customizing voice types. These three parts are the best for YouTubers, filmmakers, and voiceover actors. You may try out different voices, tones, and feelings to make anything you desire. That's it for today's tutorial. To buy this tool or test it out for free, just click the link in the description. After you click the link, you will need to check in with your Google account. You will receive 10,000 free characters to make voices right now. This free plan will be plenty for you if you make small films every day that are 2 to 3 minutes long. As long as you keep within the free character limit, you can use ElevenLabs whenever you want, for free. That's all there is to know about this instrument. I hope you learned something useful and had fun learning about ElevenLabs. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below if you liked it. Your comments inspire me to develop more tutorials like this one. Please leave a comment if you learned something new or interesting from this video. I'll be pleased to talk to you and answer your questions. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see each other again in a video. Take care, and I love you all.